Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to create Instagram post template in Canva. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now because you are gonna miss some really nice Canva tutorials on my channel. Okay, so let's create Instagram post. If you are already logged into your Canva and you are on the main screen of your Canva, then go to the templates and look for social media. Choose Instagram post, okay? And you can choose one of those templates for creating outstanding Instagram post. But I will take you, actually I like this one. It's looking really nice. I will open it in the second window. And this one is also looking very good for some individual photos. But I will create some motivational, let's say motivational Instagram post because I like motivational videos and some other things. You could see it on my main screen that I have made some Instagram posts on my second channel, and also I have some other channel on the YouTube where I'm putting those kind of motivational quotes. So let's create this post. Okay, you have the uh, blank template here, and I want to create outstanding Instagram post. So first of all, I will looking for some pictures, but if you have some picture you would like to use, you can simply go to upload and you can upload your file, okay? So I will not uploading any file because I want to choose something from Canva. It's really good software and it has a lot of actually good pictures. So let's looking for some photos and let's looking for running woman. I have already been searching for those kind of photos and I will simply choose this one because I like this one photo. It could be really good for Instagram post. So click on this picture, click on the right and set the image background. Set this image as a background, okay? So I will use this. And I want to use some template for creating this picture or future post outstanding. So I have seen some designs here and I will choose this one because I really like it. I will show you what we can do with that. Okay, so one more time we have to go to the photos and choose our photo. Simply take the photo and put it on this canvas. And one more time, take this photo and set it as a background. Okay, we will simply, I will use this photo also for creating this icon, this little icon. So go here and here, and we simply are going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and we will choose name, let's say, I don't know who I like, let's say test Instagram post. Be every day. We can leave the visit profile text here because I like this one. It's looking very good, but I want to use some text on this post to looking a little bit better, okay? So let's say that I will looking for some text and you can choose add actually default text and I highly recommend those kind of text because Canva has a lot of very good fonts. You can simply choose one of this font here. But for this Instagram post, I will choose one of my recently used text, and I will simply delete from this template text text which I don't want to use. So actually this first one and this little one, and I will use only this weak Spartan font for this video. So, and I already know what I want to use on this template. But if you don't want what to use for your motivational post, simply go to the photos and put here motivational, okay? Motivation. And I have seen this first picture here and I want to use yes you can here. So yes you can, and we will make it looking better because if I leave it as it is, it will actually fit with our design, and I don't want to text be not looking better. I want to be this text really good for eye catching. So we will fit a ligament here on the center. It's looking a bit better. We are going to make it a little bit smaller, but I still doesn't like how it is looks. Okay, so what I want to choose is I want to look for some shadows and put it beside the text. Okay, and it should be looking better. So go to the elements and look for shadows. Okay, choose the graphics, and I really like this one shadow because I can do a lot of things with it. Okay, and I want to turn this shadow 90 degrees, and I want it's looking good, but it's could look a bit better. Oh, it's looking good as it is right now. Okay, simply yes you can. But this text is I want to make the letters a bit more space between them, so I will use spacing and letter spacing, and I will use some letter spacing. Yes, you can. This is not looking very good. Yes, you can. Maybe 90 will be good. No, it's too much. So let's go with 50, but I will use, oh, sorry, 50. Yeah, and now it's looking a bit better. So, yeah, this is how you can create one of your posts on Canva, and I highly recommend choosing one of the templates from the design because you can use a lot of things. Actually, if you are individual or spiritual person, you can use one of those kind of actually posts, and it's looking seriously, it's looking very good. Okay, you can put it here anything you want, and yeah, actually that's it from my side. And if you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe. Thanks, bye.